Wait, are you telling me that someone sold him a computer without a power button? The computer had a power button. Okay. Okay, some power button had that little icon. Yeah, that little sticker. Yeah, but the button doesn't actually say why can't the power button. It's just the sticker next to it. So he didn't know. So he was pressing the wrong button. No, he wasn't pushing any button. He wasn't turning his computer on. He didn't know how to turn it on. Oh, he didn't know how to turn it on. Tell him. Because he didn't think it had power button. Okay. Do you know they are making some power buttons on laptops very difficult to find sometimes? I have no idea why, what engineering I wasn't going to tell him. I was looking at Sean. Well, yeah, I was like, so he thinks he doesn't have a power button, but that's a power button right there. He's like, yeah. I was like, okay, just wanted to confirm. I was like, I'll let the guy down. Oh my gosh. Okay, see, it doesn't show an emblem or anything. It does show an emblem. It doesn't light up. What brand was it? Dell, you got it? Well, just a power button, just something that's can signify from everything on the keyboard that this is power, There, that kind of reminds me of this sticker next to it. That sticker next to it, for her, just say power. Something to say power. Hey, that reminds me of a very funny story. So I sold a customer, this is years back, but I sold a customer computer. It was a Dell Optiplex 620. I remember it. Dell Optiplex 620. It's the tall ones, Pentium 4 processor. This thing was like stacked back in the day. 512 megabytes of RAM, 40 gig ID hard drive. It was ready to rock and roll. You were doing anything you needed to do on that computer. So she called me up after about a year, screaming at me, saying, I cannot believe you sold me a computer without a disk ROM. I said, okay, so I pulled up in the system and I saw that she does have a disk ROM. And she, again, yelling at me, and I said, well, okay, let's calm down. I won't use her real name. I said, remember, she comes in every so often still because we still fix our computers. And I know she kind of feels kind of silly, but anyhow. So I said, okay, tell me, what are you looking at when you first see your computer? Because while I see the top and then I see my coffee. I said, coffee? She goes, yes, my coffee on the coffee holder. And I said, whoa. That's not a coffee holder. That's your disk drive. That's your disk drive. That's where you put your DVDs in to play them most CDs. And she was like, oh, whoa, where am I going to put my coffee at? And I was like, well, I use a coaster, but I digress. So anyways, we had a good laugh. And so we were able to go out there, replace her ROM drive because over a year of putting coffee on that little disk drive, it weighed down on the CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, and it caused it to malfunction. So we were able to go out there and get her up and going. And actually, her grandson came in and built a custom gaming PC not too long ago. So, yeah, just one of those funny stories that happens when it comes to computers, power buttons, coffee holder. I had one person told me that back in the 80s, he had a customer that was sliding her credit card into the floppy, thinking that was the credit card terminal. And so that was not the credit card terminal. I thought I had topped him with the coffee. When he told me that story, I said, yeah, that's pretty good. So, we have some very amusing stories here at Confused. Plus, I'm Terrence Shapiro. Today is Friday, Free Diagnostic Fridays. That means if you come in, you get a free diagnostic for any laptop, any desktop. That is up to a $65 value. In some cases, if it's an Apple or if it's a gaming PC, so it's a great value for you guys. Give us a call back. We'll see you guys soon. Give us a call, 770-693-0769. 2 great locations, one more coming in, Woodstock, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.